When you need a quick side dish or an easy party food, this is it. Let's get started. When you buy mushrooms, they're usually pretty clean. However, there might be some dirt on mushrooms. Then, with a damp paper towel, dust off the dirt. Do not wash mushrooms. That will make your mushrooms rubbery and very wet. With the back of a spoon, push the stem off. Don't throw away stems. You can use them for vegetable stock or fried rice. We have 1 stick of butter. It's been sitting on the kitchen counter about 2 hours, so it's very soft. Mash it with a fork. Chop thyme leaves. Chop parsley leaves. Add chopped herbs. Season with salt and pepper. Stuff the mushrooms with the butter-herb mixture. Then, sprinkle breadcrumbs. I think regular breadcrumbs are better than panko breadcrumbs for this particular dish. This goes into the preheated oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the mushrooms are cooked. Bon appetit!